常英语，场景、工具和五金，理解不同种类的砂纸。
Hey, have you ever used sandpaper before? Yes, I have. There are actually different types of sandpaper for different purposes. Really? I thought sandpaper was all the same. No, each type of sandpaper has a different grit level. The grit determines how rough or smooth the sandpaper is. That's interesting. So, what are some common grit levels? The most common grit levels are 60, 100, 150, 220, and 400. Lower grit numbers mean coarser sandpaper, while higher numbers mean finer sandpaper. Got it. So, when would I use a coarser sandpaper? You would use a coarser sandpaper like 60 or 100